Then the final part of our CSAT process is going to be sending these responses to a Google Sheet. Now, for me, I prefer to use the Google Sheet and our workflow connector. And with this, I can come in here and customize the data that is getting sent to Google. And with this, I've got it set up so this first action is going to be sending to a tab in my Google Sheet where managers have access to, and they can come in and see which employees have attended which sessions and filter in things. And here I can just be like, okay, great. Let me just put in the specific information the managers need. I don't need to send everything, just a few specific fields from that form, and they're good to go. Then I can go ahead and add another action to my Google Sheets workflow connector to send to a new tab, still within that same spreadsheet, and send all of the fields that I need to that tab and really be able to customize all of that data that is being sent to Google before it gets sent over.